Contacting guests outside Airbnb, why it's a bad idea, even if it works sometimes. A common headache for hosts. Guests book for fewer people than actually show up. You catch it, you request the extra fees through Airbnb's system, and the guest ignores it. Some hosts, out of frustration, go looking for the guest on Facebook or Instagram and send a direct message. Sometimes that pressure works better than Airbnb's own tools. But here's the reality. 1. Airbnb bans off-platform contact. Their rules are clear. All communication has to stay inside the Airbnb system. If Airbnb finds out you've contacted guests elsewhere, they can suspend or even shut down your account. Doesn't matter how good your reason was. 2. You lose protection. When you step outside Airbnb, you also step outside their dispute resolution process. If a guest claims you harassed them on social media, Airbnb won't back you up, even if you were just asking for what you're owed. 3. It can backfire hard. Some guests might pay up if you DM them, but others could report you, leave a scathing review, or even escalate it legally. So what should you do instead? Get evidence. Use entry logs, outdoor cameras, if allowed, or check-in photos to prove extra guests. Use Airbnb's Resolution Center. If you've got solid proof, Airbnb is more likely to enforce payment. Set clear rules. Spell out guest limits and extra charges in your listing and house rules. That makes it harder for guests to claim they didn't know. Trust your gut. If a booking feels sketchy, decline it. Preventing the problem is easier than fixing it. Bottom line, messaging guests outside Airbnb might feel satisfying in the moment, but it risks your account and your income. Play it smart. Keep everything on platform. Tighten your systems, and let Airbnb's process work, even if it's slower than you'd like.